an early, brand new, upcoming and exciting real-world assets and AI altcoin with 100x potential that is unreleased yet. You're going to get exclusive first early peak, capitalizing on the perpetuals explosion of crypto DEX narrative. If you guys loved Asta token, we've seen Asta, we've seen Hyperliquid, we've seen Perp coming out on Tron, and also guys, we have the real-world asset sector bullish altcoins like Ethereum. We have Ondo Finance and even Epic and others. Then this one, guys, could be potentially even more bullish than all of them. In this video, we're going to explain to you the potential, and this is called Reactor.trade. So this is Reactor, capitalizing on the perpetuals narrative. It is like 1 inch for traders, and this is your earliest chance to get into this project. Now, if you're interested in projects like this could be the next big perpetual DEX real world asset project. We're going to go over all the information you need. As always, nothing in this video is financial advice, so be responsible with your financial decisions. You can lose all your money in cryptocurrency. Always remember that crypto is high risk and high reward. To make sure to do your own research and due diligence, guys, and never invest more than you can afford to lose. We only use risk capital. On this channel, we just give you the best projects and early alpha so that you can take full advantage of it and check it out. So here's their awesome looking website, as you can see. So we are selecting BNB chain. We connected our cryptocurrency wallet, and we are going to put $150 USDT into here. That will give us 4,838 React tokens. Okay, so we click buy tokens, and then bang, at the bottom here we can see that it does say purchase confirmed down here, and we have bought our React tokens now. That is awesome. And now it shows us up here our $4,838 of tokens purchased. So we might buy more of this as well. The official link to this website will take you to this TGE token generation event ICO pre-sale. The only official link is in the video description. Only use that link so that you don't click on any fake link. If you click a fake link, guys, it will steal your funds. So be very careful. Only use the official link in the video description to make sure you're going to the right place if you be fast. So this is time sensitive, and there's only 18 days until this current early round closes. And then you connect your wallet to the pre-sale. So it does bring you to this page, and then you select the chain, Ethereum, BNB, Arbitrum, Base, or Polygon, any cryptocurrency blockchain that you choose to participate on when you want to enter the pre-sale, and then you enter your cryptocurrency and follow the steps, guys. Remember, grab it before the end of this countdown timer or get in early. There's currently a 69% discount, and the current price is just 0.031 now. You get the special alpha tap discount applied. Again, only if you use the correct link, and the link is down below. So join the wait list for the platform launch. You can sign up on the website. Only by using the link in the video description, you will get plus 5% extra bonus. Okay, that's a plus 5% extra bonus on top of the early bird 69% discount, this special alpha tap discount, which is also applied to the pre-sale. So you will only get that extra plus 5% bonus tokens by using the link in this video description. So as always, guys, we give to you the alpha first, earlier than anyone else. So if you love projects just like this, subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notifications. This is going to be a single terminal for swaps, perpetuals, meme coins, yield farming, buying NFTs, real world assets, and AI trading bots. So they've got so many bullish narratives in one. You've got real world assets, AI, the meme coin trend and narrative, right? Yield farming and trading bots as well, including NFTs. So they've got Meta, they've got Nvidia, Polygon, they've got all of these places they're launching on and partners. This is a DEX 3.0 trend. So we've seen the DEX 3.0s launching. We've got Hype or Hyperliquid. These are like non-centralized exchanges, guys, decentralized exchanges, which getting into these in the early ecosystems can be extremely profitable. A great recent example here, we have Asta. Look at this, it's so bullish, has recently exploded, and it is still exploding back up today. Even the market, Bitcoin went down, and this is exploding up. So these are the altcoins that are the top performers. As always on this channel, we show you the best coins and the top performers early before they pump. And even Hyperliquid, look at this, this is pumping up again today. We've got Perp coming out from Justin Sun. As you know, CZ was behind this, is part of the hype behind this Asta token. And if we do look at the stock market and risk on assets, guys, we can see the stock markets are exploding today and back into the green. So crypto should follow. For perpetual DEXs, if you look on DeFi Llama across all chains, Ethereum, Solana, and on BSC chain and Tron, guys, the TVL, okay, locked on chain, is exploding and going to new all-time highs. And that is because of projects like Asta and other DEXs and perpetual DEXs that have launched, especially recently, that are the new DEX 3.0 trend and sucking up all the liquidity in the market. Look at this, for example, on the Binance Smart Chain, we can see Asta is the top performing growth DeFi project in this BNB ecosystem, plus 105% growth in the last 7 days within these different timeframes. So it's insane. We can even see Hyperliquid here. Look at the growth of Hyperliquid. It's insane. Currently having a tiny correction due to the competition coming out for these DEXs. This new project, Reactor.trade, is where you can earn and trade. It's going to have all of the tools you need fully under your control. And again, the links to this, if you want to get in early and act fast, is in the video description. Okay, you can trade all kinds of things on here. Top stocks like Nvidia, Google, and all of these things are going to be available, not just crypto to trade. So that's pretty awesome. Now they do have a detailed and in-depth white paper, which you can check out. I will leave all of the links you need down below in the video description, and also links to their social media and things you want to check out. So what is Reactor? Reactor is a DeFi platform, a single terminal for swaps, perpetuals, meme coins, farming yield, buying NFTs, real world assets, and what they call I assets, right? And like X stocks, so stocks on chain, many real world assets on chain, and AI trading bots. So it's a single terminal in DeFi and built for degens. Investing in this is just like investing in the next Aster, BNB, or Hyperliquid, guys, and we are going to compare Hype soon on this video. This is known as the DEX 3.0 trend. This is not like the previous DEXs you know in cryptocurrency. This is a new evolution and generation of DEXs, which you can trade perpetual leverage, but this one allows you to even do leverage on meme coins, which the other ones don't. So you can't do that on any of the other ones so far. This one is going to have 30 plus chains, so cross-chain, different blockchains, 15 plus meme launchers, and 3 plus perps or perpetuals protocols, 4 plus real world assets protocols, and you can stake React to pay 0 fees as well. So with a lot of the perpetual perps like on Aster and other ones, you pay a very wide range of different fees when you trade. Well, on this one you pay 0 fees if you have React, and that is another good reason why to get React token, this brand new React token early, right, and be one of the early buyers and early investors. In Reactor protocol, you can stake. You stake coins and stables, so stable coins, with automatic strategies for optimal yield, guys. 1000 plus staking protocols, neutral staking, and hedge staking, all for 0 fees for React stakers again. So take advantage of getting this React early. DPY stands for daily percentage yield, Reactor's favorite. So the different yield farm strategies include neutral staking, ranging from 5% to 30% APR, for example. Even staking reward restaking, so the whole restaking narrative is also involved in this token, guys. Then you have DeFi yield staking, ranging from, for example, 5% to 50% APR, and you can receive, look at this, you can earn all these tokens, receive these tokens, and even potentially post collateral in multiple different tokens for your staking, guys, right? And for these different yield farming strategies, so 1000 plus staking protocols, neutral staking, and hedge staking, so different types of way to also hedge your risk on Reactor. Finance made easy, it says here React Pay, so they're going to have the React card, guys. This is an insane feature, a card connected to all your on-chain assets in just one app, any asset, and you can pay with your card anywhere, and you earn 9% APY, and you can boost it up to 20% by staking React. It is compatible with Apple Pay and Google Pay, as you can see here. Very nice feature, and you can control everything with the React app. This is an access degen network. Trade on your phone, access Web3 movement, and join alpha groups. Be up to date with the hottest developments and access early sales and token drops. Okay, alpha access with VIP communities and monetize your network. So again, you get early access to early sales and token drops, and you can even monetize your network. It's insane. Again, coming soon to the App Store and Google Play Store, which is launching this October, guys. Again, that is the React app, the React mobile app. Also, guys, the React token itself is the core utility token driving all activity within the Reactor.trade ecosystem. It enables smooth, secure value exchange between traders, liquidity providers, strategy developers, and platform participants, right? Powering every interaction across the Reactor protocol. And we can see a breakdown right here of the global token distribution. So for every token sold, 1 token is burned, and they have this insane, mind-blowing burning mechanism, guys. So even better than Aster, Hyperliquid, and all the other ones. We're going to show you a comparison in a minute, but 20% of this goes to liquidity, 25% to community tokens, and 5% to team tokens locked for 12 months, a linear 24-month lockup, 20% ecosystem for the ecosystem growth, and 2% for KOLs, 3% for advisors, and 25% burned, guys. It's insane. A massive amount of this is going to be burned. What happens when a project burns tokens or burns its own token? It means all the value goes back to the token holders, right? So the token holders get richer every time the token is burned. And on top of that, the token supply gets more scarce. So when something is a scarce, limited asset, guys, it goes up in value and has much more value due to supply and demand basic economics. So that is insane. And there is, guys, going to be a 1 billion maximum amount of coins that will exist. So this is a limited supply, scarce asset token, okay? 30 million starting fully diluted value round 1 to 100 million at token generation event. Fully diluted value, or FDV, equals price x max supply. All right, guys, and launching on BNB and Base at 0.1 cents. Insane. And you guys can get it at the earliest possible price, even earlier than launch or TGE event, by entering now early. Okay, guys, because as always on this channel we give you this alpha chance early, like the earliest possible stage. Now the token is going to have token utility, which is the React, again ticker symbol REACT is the ticker symbol for the React token. React is the lifeblood of the Reactor trade ecosystem, okay, designed for long-term growth, sustained demand and community ownership. Guys, it's very important to understand that this is a deflationary token, again, with their insane burning mechanism on the token. 40% of protocol fees, spot, perps, and real-world assets are automatically converted to React in weekly buybacks, guys. So they have this insane buyback program and sent to a burn address. So buyback and burn. This is smart contract enforced, creating a direct, recurring buy-side market order without discretionary execution risk. So this token is literally automatically going to get more valuable forever and become more and more scarce, which it means it's going to go up and up in value over time as people continue using the platform and as this flywheel goes round. You can see the flywheel here for the Reactor token burn system. It's insane. They have a staking mechanism, and then they have, which is sent for burning, right? On their token launcher. Remember, they're going to have multiple token launches, and all of the fees from that gets sent to burning, and all of the revenue, and then token pool, and then trading, which gets of course sent for burning, all of the trading revenue and fees that are created. Also the token pool. Each burn will be initiated every time fees are received. So it's just going to be burning and burning. The supply here, insane. So the people who get in early, the more supply, which means you can buy more tokens at a cheaper price, and the more supply you earn, the richer you're going to potentially become with this project here. This could have 100x or crazy 500x, 1000x future potential if this launches at a low cap token, guys. Key points: 20% of the buybacks added to pool depth, 80% of buyback tokens will be burned, frequency each time fee collected, method direct on-chain buybacks, liquidity pool token buybacks, impact buybacks reduce circulating supply, as I said, guys, increase the proportion of ownership for the long-term holders as well, right? Because the more it burns, then the more tokens you already own, it means the higher the percentage of your token ownership in total. Trading of this total percentage of the total token supply. So trading fee reductions, holders can reduce their spot and perpetual trading costs by up to 0% maker fees and 50% taker fees when paying in React. This ensures constant transactional demand as long as the platform is active. Loyalty and incentive layer. Users who stake React may qualify for trading fee discounts, reward multipliers for liquidity provision, access to seasonal or event-based promotions, membership tiers. So the token may also be used to determine user tiers. For example, silver, gold, or platinum, different tiers, each unlocking different levels of access and benefit. The token burns, guys, for each allocation, for each token purchased, one token from the team stake got burned. Tiered access to premium features. Certain tools and services are accessible only to React token holders as well. Features: early access to new trading markets, example iAssets, advanced trading bots and algorithmic strategies, exclusive analytics modules, participation in alpha and beta feature testing. Access method: holding a minimum amount of React, unlockable via React staking. Token gated access, available only to token holders. So these are the different tiered access to premium features. As I said, guys, the upcoming roadmap includes a trading terminal core. Solana chain integration it includes Solana pool indexer and EVM chains integrated 30 plus. So all the other blockchains, Uniswap, PancakeSwap and Sushi pool indexes, whale wallet trackers, AI social sentiment analytics, Perp, a Perp's terminal, so a hyper liquid protocol. Number 3, an order book for DEX engine, core order machine, matching engine machine, a market making bot integrations, limit order funding concept, aggregation layer integration for cross-chain unified liquidity bridging. And so an aggregator compares and automatically finds across the entire cryptocurrency blockchain, across all chains and ecosystems, guys, the cheapest price and the best possible trade. So it automatically finds the highest arbitrage opportunities and then automatically brings them to you and lets you access them in your trades with one click. And Reactor is going going to unlock all of that and enable that for you with their trading aggregator system, right? So it's an insane trading aggregator. That is why it is similar to 1inch, but it is an evolution and an upgrade from those previous aggregator crypto trading platforms. Reactor Core, and then later they're going to have Reactor, Perps, Engine. So I think that these are the things that they have for 2025 Q1, Q2, right? Which for 2025 Q3, Q4, it says Reactor, Perps, Engine, Liquidity Bridging, Perpetual Pool Matching Engine, Funding Protocol, Real World Asset Terminal, Helix, and Injective Integration, Staking and Yield Farming, protocols integrated including Polygon, Ethereum, Proof of Stake pool operators, liquidity staking on Katana, Uniswap and Forknet, etc. React app, early access launch also coming on Android and iOS with crypto signals, community sentiment tracking, non-custodial wallet, Sol plus EVMs, crypto chats, peer-to-peer crypto chat feature integrated into the React app as well. It's going to be insane. What a fantastic amount of features. And then the React token launch in 2025 coming up in Q4, guys. Okay, so that is when this token is planning to launch. Q4 of 2025. We can see now the comparison down here to Hyperliquid. So out of all these features, and we can see Axiom, Binance and Photon are also included in here, but the most popular one out of these, of course, is Hyperliquid. We can see non-custodial, on-chain spot, on-chain perps, on-chain real-world assets, on-chain I assets, memes, neutral hedge staking, and on-chain launchpad, social tracker, multi-chain, trading strategy, and revenue. And out of all of these, Hyperliquid does not have access to on-chain assets. None of them do. Only React does. And memes, guys, only React has access to memes other than Photon and Axiom. And neutral/hedge staking. Again, Hyperliquid doesn't have any of these. Reactor has all of them. An on-chain launchpad, Hyperliquid does not have that. Social tracker, Hyperliquid again does not have that. Or multi-chain access. Again, Hyperliquid is not multi-chain. And then the trading strategy as well. So Reactor has all of these benefits that you cannot find anywhere else if you look at all of these different ones. Okay, so Reactor is a clear standout. And can you imagine the projected revenue is 300 million for Reactor just in the first 2026, the first year. So that is insane compared to some of these. We can see that we already know that Hyperliquid has 1.14 billion annualized, and some of these other ones have a massive amount, like Binance's revenue, of course, is 16.8 billion. So that is why this could eventually overtake some of these other huge and mega platforms. Guys, check out the team down here. You can read more about their core values, their expertise, and their knowledge. It says here they have Yi, the founder and project lead, and Ricardo, their CTO, and Monica, their CMO advisor. So the founder, so Yi is co-founder, CBO and COO of Helix Labs and a former listings manager at Poloniex. He combines listings, trading desk and investment bank experience, Bank of America, Merrill Lynch and Royal Bank of Canada, guys, to build cross-chain liquidity primitives, and has the GTM and partner networks to ship the next Hyperliquid style product. Ricardo is the CTO, has 4 years of experience in blockchain technology development with deep expertise in both Solana, Sol and EVM ecosystems, leading the development and integration of chain aggregation and processing infrastructure, and creator of the React Core engine. Monica, the CMO advisor, has 9 years of experience in marketing and startups with a strong focus on Web3 growth strategies, former marketing and incubation lead at a leading launchpad where managed marketing, PR and go-to-market strategies for multiple Web3 startups, plus 12 developers, designers and DeFi experts on the team. And they even have roles available here. They're recruiting for senior blockchain developer and Rust developer and a DevOps as well. So just to explain clearly what is Reactor, right? For those who aren't familiar, here's a quick breakdown, guys. Okay, very detailed description here. So in DeFi, there are many decentralized exchanges that you already know about, like DEXs, like PancakeSwap, Pump.Fun, PancakeSwap, Radium, and others. So just like on centralized exchanges, the price of the same asset can vary across DEXs. For example, 1 ETH might cost $3,840 on Uniswap, right? And $3,870 on PancakeSwap. It's a small difference, but it's still profit left on the table. To solve this, 1inch was created. It scans all the DEXs and gives users the best possible rate. That's why 1inch exists, guys. It scans all the DEXs and routes your trade through the best path, helping you save on price and gas, right? But 1inch itself has its limitations. It doesn't aggregate other aggregators like Paraswap. So by using 1inch, you might not actually get the best deal available on the market or make cross-chain swaps in every direction. On the other hand, right, Hyperliquid is a platform for trading futures similar to Binance futures, but fully fully decentralized and with lower fees. That means it never asks you for KYC, never freezes your funds, has no limits on your activity, and no centralized risks. That's exactly why more and more users are switching from centralized exchanges to decentralized ones, which now match Binance, Bybit, KuCoin, and others in terms of speed and performance. So you might be asking, what is the difference, right? Because Reactor combines the power of 1inch and Hyperliquid and do even more from both sides. So the power of using an aggregator lets smart infrastructure do the heavy lifting, scan the market, compare options in real time, and execute the best trade all in one place. An aggregator DApp, or decentralized app, is a tool that connects to multiple DeFi platforms and protocols like DEXs, Perps, markets, or bridges, and automatically finds the best option for your trade and yield. Guys, it saves you time, reduces fees, and improves execution by routing your transaction through the most efficient path across the entire DeFi ecosystem. Again, the easiest way to do that in crypto, use an aggregator like Reactor, a powerful DApp that connects you to the best prices, liquidity, and funding across all major DeFi platforms. It's like having a professional trading desk in one interface, but fully on chain and built for speed. So this is why Reactor is not just a typical ICO like all the other ones, guys. Most ICOs raise capital with hype, no product, and tokenomics that collapse under insider selling. Reactor flips that model upside down with a real product, real fees, and real buybacks. Again, generating real revenue. Live revenue stream before the token generation event on Reactor.trade always routes volume, spot, perps, and real world assets across Solana, plus 20 L2s, and the main trade terminal will be launched in October. Okay, 69% of the protocol fees auto convert to React buybacks, enforced by smart contracts. Bought back tokens are burned weekly, creating natural deflation. Ecosystem growth, 48% allocation ensures sustainable expansion of features, partnerships, and incentives to fuel even more revenue. Zero VC overhang, no insider dump. So 100% public allocation, no private rounds, guys, no seed discounts. You guys yourself can be the earliest possible investors in this, right? Team tokens, 10% locked, 12 months with linear unlock after. The community is the liquidity, no exit liquidity. So, you don't have to worry about being the exit liquidity in this, guys, and being dumped on. Advisors, 10% and KOL, 2% only unlock via performance-based milestones, aligning interest with platform growth. Again, much less, if not no, selling pressure, that is. So much less selling pressure. Utility that sticks, not just hopes and prayers. Action on Reactor, basically .trade, requires rewards, React token, the effect on the price. Trading fee discounts up to 100%, pays fees in React, constant spot demand, staking vault, lock 30 to 365 days, earn share of platform fees, circulating supply sinks, and tier upgrades, VIP, APY, R card, and cashback. When you hit the hold thresholds and less sell side pressure is again the effect on the price. When there's governance and listings on React.trade, vote power equals tokens locked, rewards in React tokens, and again the effect on the price is sticky supply. So this all amounts to liquidity enhancement of 24%, supports deep DEX and centralized exchanges pools, making every utility case smooth and scalable. Number 4, plus a dynamic floor treasury. A safety net, not a promise, is what they have here for Reactor. 10% of every buyback is routed to a floor treasury in React/USDC. Treasury deploys LP positions not only above the 90-day VWAP. If price nukes, treasury LP or liquidity pools unwind and buybacks cheaper. It's not a hard price peg, but it disciplines the downside. And aggressive liquidity bootstrapping, calm release, multi-chain liquidity seeded on day one with protocol-owned assets. No mercenary LP farming, deep books for entry, thin float to amplify buybacks. Marketing and user growth budget drives adoption and brings traders into these pools, creating a stronger flywheel. Now you get why we aped balls deep in and are holding React early, guys. If you want to do the same again, you can do that too. So Reactor isn't just a powerful platform, it's a whole new layer of on-chain finance, and RCT is your key to everything. The React token is the key. Also, Reactor will get big. These are just one aspect to consider. Big name support. Reactor isn't some side project, right? It's backed by heavyweights from the DeFi world with deep roots in trading, tech, infrastructure, and cross-chain innovation, like the things as we showed you earlier with the team here, guys. This isn't your average Web3 experiment. This is a serious execution play Polygon, Katana, and aggregation layer are all behind this, and this is just the beginning. So with the powerful burning system for this React token, it is a fantastic token to have and add into your cryptocurrency altcoin portfolio, especially for altcoin season. This is a rare early stage opportunity with limited supply, rising interest, and a strong utility backed into the token model, right? Again, guys, you can get the 5% bonus using the link in this video. It's unified trading with the yield aggregation terminal, the next generation of decentralized exchange, right? So this has all the sections you need to know about them, including the problem they are solving, unified decentralized finance layer, including trade aggregation, dynamic perpetuals markets, aggregated yield and meta governance, okay, the platform overview, a deep dive, and the features comparison compared to other dexes. Okay, you can see the tables and comparisons down here. They talk about their architecture, the hybrid on-chain / off-chain innovation, and their security and risk management, guys. A very secure project which is in line with regulations and compliance, including data privacy. If you want to jump deep into the token supply, distribution, and dynamics, you can also find that on here in detail, as well as the token sale stages, guys, and vesting. Again, you guys are getting it at the maximum discount, okay, here, extremely early stage. So you can check them out on Discord and join their Telegram group here. If you want to ask the team questions, then jump into that. And also, okay, follow them on Twitter for the latest news and updates. Okay, you can see they are posting here regularly. It looks incredibly bullish, keeping everyone up to date with their pre-sale and the future features that they're going to have on their platform, as well as these awesome videos. So if we keep the volume low here, then we can see showing you how to use the Reactor with the user interface on their platform, how you can sign in using MetaMask, okay, and then interact with their platform here. So pretty cool. And then you can deposit your tokens, trade on the DEX, and you can trade with leverage. It's going to be insane, guys. So you can earn so much. So check out all their videos and tutorials, which you can find on their platform. There is also a bonus where you can earn $500 of USDC. So get involved to join and earn rewards. Remember, the early users will get all of the extra bonuses, potential airdrops. Also, you can go down their website and check out all the details. So we're going to quickly check this out here, but this is just a introduction, okay, to the project, because we don't have time to go in depth and details, guys. So make sure you do your research on this video. We are just showing to you this very bullish project before it launches as early as possible. So to finalize all of this, we can check out that they have different features here where you can trade any token, real world assets, iStock, leverage, and they don't take a cent in fees. It's fully on-chain and fully owned by you guys. So it's awesome. You don't lose fees to what you would normally pay, massive fees for centralized exchanges. They have dynamic liquidity pools where you double your yield with their algorithmic liquidity pools that balance spot and perpetual pools. So 2x yield, 1x leverage boost, up to 100x leverage boost, and then 100k spot LP pool to 10 million in the spot LP pool. This solution is fully non-custodial, guys. Again, they have an emphasis on the fact that this is a non-custodial protocol, so it's not owned or controlled, by third parties, centralized entities. They're going to have passive yield protocol where you put your stable coins like USDC, USDT, or USDA, USD1 from World Liberty Financial Trump stablecoin into here, and you can earn up to 16% yield or even more. They're going to have dynamic APY while staking, and then owned by the traders, right? So token unlocks are tied to fully diluted valuation, aligning incentives, increasing stability, and even reducing rug pull risks, guys. So you've got that security and stability backing this, built on hyperliquid, injective protocol, aggregation layer, Forknet, Polygon, and Katana. Says let's make it simpler together with leverage up to 125x with memes. Of course, it could be more in the future, guys. And over here, you can go ahead and you can launch their trading terminal platform. Coming soon to Apple and Android, where they're going to have a Reactor app, which you can simply download, guys. You can buy yourself a coffee with Apple stock or crypto using their React card as well. Future React card is pretty insane. It says connect and get access to 30 plus in-chain integrations, as well as $8 billion in daily trading volume on DEX, guys. 25 plus protocol and staking platforms. You can see the Reactor roadmap. Jump into the in-depth details down here, which we haven't got time to go in to do a fully deep dive today. However, guys, hopefully this gives you a fantastic basic introduction to the platform. We can see their dashboard here, which looks very awesome with a clean and slick modern user interface. And it shows you up here how many tokens have been bought. So if you want to, again, participate in the pre-sale, you can do that on their platform here. Okay, again, you can connect your wallet. So you can do that right here on the Reactor.trade website. Okay, the official link to this is in the video description below. Again, only use that link to make sure you are safe. And then you connect your wallet to the pre-sale. So it does bring you to this page. And then you select the chain, Ethereum, BNB, Arbitrum, Base, or Polygon, any cryptocurrency blockchain that you choose to participate on when you want to enter the pre-sale. And then you enter your cryptocurrency and follow the steps, guys. Remember, grab it before the end of this countdown timer, or get in early before, before other people basically and before the price increases for this, before there is a price rise. Remember, there is currently a 69% discount and the current price is just 0.031 now. You get the special alpha tap discount applied. Again, only if you use the correct link, and the link is down below. So join the waitlist again for the platform launch. You can sign up on the website. Only by using the link in the video description, you will get plus 5% extra bonus. Okay, again, that's a plus 5% extra bonus on top of the early bird 69% discount, this special alpha tap discount, which is also applied to the pre-sale. So you will only get that extra plus 5% bonus tokens, again, by using the link in this video description. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, join us on this channel because we cover the best new early altcoins opportunity and crypto alpha just like this every single day, and we'll see you guys soon in the next videos.